Okay. My question, I wanted to know, as how many BIM complete projects do you see going through your firm, and how many projects contain BIM? So how many are totally BIM? How many have some elements of BIM on the average? One out of two, where there's some element of BIM that's used in valuing models and information. Our position is rather low in the chain of value, but what we see is maybe one out of two. I would say that it depends. If I talk of like our Quebec office or offices in civil, I know that they realize most projects with BIM. There are others, on the other hand, in structure, perhaps. I don't know. I don't know how many they can have. 30% for electromechanic. If I exclude QSUM, it's really below 5%, I would say, because it's evident that, as I said in my presentation, that it's a bit of a lab project, a laboratory project, and the project's so intense that as soon as you form champions, it's like a magnet that an injectable seed, they sort of leave the project.
Um, at Alston, I believe my colleagues and I, we work on like 23 different BIM projects. We're talking about like 2 billion overall, Canada. Uh, when it comes to projects like design build, we are like heavily implementing BIM because we are involved with day one, even like with before the proposal and before being awarded that project, we're using BIM. We're using 4D modeling. We're using animation as part of our BIM proposal to the owner. So overall, like 30%, 40% of our overall projects done, plus or minus.
The architecture side in our office there's about 150 projects per year. We can't do everything on BIM. There's no models for every project. Some of the 150 projects are quite small. A client who wants to add 2 rooms, for instance, in a university is insufficient. But the value, 70% of the value of our revenue in value use BIM.